The Phala network is a decentralized cloud computing protocol that aims to rival traditional cloud computing services such as Amazon AWS or Google Cloud. Cloud computing refers to the maintenance of large, web-based data repositories that provide computing resources, such as data storage and computing power, for end users. With the Phala network, excess capacity from everyday computers can be put to work while creating a more distributed approach to cloud computing and storage. Phala aims to provide these services through a decentralized, global network of computing resources with the ability to scale for performance while also optimizing for confidentiality and security. Phala was founded in 2018 by Phala Network Foundation and is led by former Google software engineer Heng Yin, former Tencent product manager Marvin Tong, among others. Phala Network Foundation has raised $1.68 million over 2 rounds of private token sales since 2019, resulting in 15% of the initial token supply being distributed to the investors. The project also received 3 Web3 Foundation grants.